Building long-term client relationships is crucial to the success of your cleaning business. While acquiring new clients is important, retaining existing clients is even more valuable as it leads to steady, recurring revenue. Strong relationships with your clients foster trust, customer loyalty, and ultimately help your business thrive over time. 1. Prioritize consistent, high-quality service. At the heart of every long-term client relationship is the consistent delivery of high-quality service. Customers expect reliable and thorough cleaning every time they hire you, and ensuring that your services meet or exceed their expectations is key to keeping them coming back. Consistency builds trust. When clients know they can count on you to provide the same excellent results every time, they are more likely to remain loyal to your business. To achieve consistency, establish clear cleaning protocols and standards that every member of your team follows. Train your staff to pay attention to detail and handle each job with care. Use checklists to ensure that all tasks are completed to your client's satisfaction. By maintaining high standards, you'll not only retain your current clients, but also increase the likelihood of receiving referrals from satisfied customers. In addition to the quality of your cleaning, timeliness and professionalism are critical factors in client retention. Always arrive on time, be respectful of your client's spaces, and communicate openly about any scheduling or service changes. These actions go a long way in building trust and loyalty over time. 2. Communicate regularly and effectively. Open and regular communication is essential for fostering strong relationships with your cleaning clients. Whether you are providing updates on service schedules or addressing client concerns, maintaining clear and transparent communication helps build trust and shows that you value your client's time and input. Start by establishing effective communication channels, such as email, phone, or messaging apps, based on your client's preferences. Send appointment reminders, service updates, and any relevant promotions or offers. After each cleaning session, follow up with a brief message to ensure the client is satisfied with the work and to ask for feedback. This not only shows your commitment to excellence, but also gives clients the opportunity to voice any concerns before they escalate into larger issues. Being responsive to your clients' needs and inquiries is also key to maintaining long-term relationships. Make it a priority to respond to emails or phone calls promptly, and be proactive in resolving any issues that arise. When clients feel heard and valued, they are more likely to stick with your business over time. 3. Personalize your services. Offering personalized services is another effective way to build strong, long-term client relationships. Every client is different, and catering to their specific preferences, schedules, or needs can make them feel valued and appreciated. Taking the time to tailor your services shows that you are invested in their satisfaction and willing to go the extra mile to meet their expectations. For example, some clients may prefer certain cleaning products, while others might want specific areas of their home or office cleaned more thoroughly. By accommodating these preferences, you demonstrate your flexibility and attention to detail. You can also offer personalized recommendations for additional services based on your understanding of their needs, which not only enhances their experience, but can also increase your revenue. Personalized service can also extend to small gestures, like remembering important dates or sending a thank you note after a year of working together. These thoughtful touches go a long way in solidifying your relationship with clients and making them feel special. 4. Offer loyalty programs or discounts for long-term clients. Rewarding your loyal clients with special offers, discounts, or a loyalty program can help retain them and strengthen your relationship. A well-designed loyalty program incentivizes repeat business and makes clients feel appreciated for their continued support. It also encourages clients to book your services more frequently, which benefits your business. For instance, you could offer a discount after a client books a certain number of cleanings, or provide a free add-on service, such as window cleaning, after a year of consistent service. These rewards don't have to be large or expensive, but they should provide enough value to show your appreciation for their loyalty. Additionally, consider offering exclusive promotions or discounts for your long-term clients. For example, you could give them early access to new services or a special holiday discount. These gestures show that you value their business and want to give something back in return for their loyalty. 5. Ask for feedback and act on it. One of the best ways to build strong long-term relationships with your cleaning clients is to actively seek their feedback and use it to improve your services. Clients appreciate businesses that care about their opinions and are willing to make changes based on their input. Asking for feedback not only helps you identify areas for improvement, but also shows that you are committed to providing the best possible service. After each cleaning, send a brief survey or follow-up message asking clients how satisfied they are with the service and if there are any areas that could be improved. Make sure to act on any feedback you receive, whether it's adjusting the cleaning schedule, using different products, or focusing on certain areas more thoroughly. By addressing their concerns and implementing their suggestions, you show clients that their input matters and that you're always working to improve. When clients see that their feedback leads to real changes, they are more likely to remain loyal to your business. It also encourages open communication, making it easier to resolve any issues before they become major problems. 6. Build trust through transparency. Transparency is key to building trust with your cleaning clients. Be upfront about your pricing, services, and any policies regarding cancellations or rescheduling. Clients appreciate businesses that are honest and clear about what they offer, as it eliminates confusion and builds confidence in your professionalism. Provide detailed service agreements that outline exactly what is included in your cleaning packages, as well as any additional charges that may apply for special services. Make sure your pricing is transparent and easy to understand, with no hidden fees or surprises. If any changes occur, such as a price increase or adjustment to the schedule, communicate these changes openly and well in advance. Transparency also extends to handling any issues or mistakes. If a problem arises, address it honestly and take responsibility. Offering a solution or compensation when necessary can turn a negative experience into a positive one, strengthening the client's trust in your business. 7. Maintain a professional relationship. While building strong relationships with your clients is important, it's equally essential to maintain a level of professionalism. Clients expect you to be reliable, courteous, and respectful at all times. This includes showing up on time, dressing appropriately, and ensuring that your team conducts themselves professionally while on the job. Maintaining a professional demeanor builds respect and trust, which are essential for long-term relationships. It also helps establish clear boundaries and expectations, making it easier to handle any issues that may arise. Always communicate in a polite and professional manner, even when dealing with difficult clients or situations. This will ensure that your business remains reputable and trustworthy in the eyes of your clients. Building long-term client relationships in the cleaning industry requires a combination of high-quality service, effective communication, and a personalized approach. By focusing on consistency, transparency, and customer satisfaction, you can foster loyalty and create lasting relationships that drive the success of your cleaning business. Keep your clients engaged, ask for feedback, and always look for ways to improve the experience you provide. Ready to strengthen your client relationships and grow your cleaning business? Start implementing these strategies today. For more tips and personalized guidance on building lasting client relationships, reach out to us for expert advice. 7 Vinology specializes in generating cleaning contracts for our partner contractors in the USA, Canada, Australia, and the UK since 2012. Join now and watch us build your portfolio of accounts behind the scenes. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and see you next time.